Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Hole, Additive Pipe, and Chamfer. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the middle curve and the circular profile and create a solid part with the help of the Additive Pipe tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Press the letter M more times till you see the proper curve. Constrain the endpoints to each other. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Next, we sketch the circular profiles. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. Sketch the two circles with a radius of 105 and 145 millimeters. The sketch is fully constrained. Next, select the circular section and then activate the Additive Pipe tool. In the dialog window, activate the Path object and then select the first middle sketch. In step 2, we create the side flange with size of 360 by 360 millimeters. Select the side face and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle at the center of the circle. Sketch the circles with a radius of 145 millimeters. Select the outer sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 50 millimeters. In step 3, we create the upper flange in similar way. Extract the reference edge to define the center point. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we create a holes and remove material from the created part. Select the side face and then activate the Sketch tool. First, we create one hole. Here, we define the location of the hole. The size of the hole will be defined in 3D. Close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Hole tool. In the dialog window, select the Head Type option, Counterbore, and set the parameters according to the drawing. Next, use the Linear Pattern tool to create the other 3 holes. Select the hole and activate the Linear Pattern tool. In the dialog window, first set the direction in which the feature be transformed, then the distance between the holes, and then set the occurrences. In direction 2, set the parameters in Y direction. We create the holes on the top flange in similar way. Extract the reference edges for dimensioning. In step 5, we create a chamfer at the end of the pipe. Select the edges and activate the chamfer tool and then set the parameters. The last step is to add a fillet with a radius of 10 millimeters. Select the edges and then activate the Fillet tool. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.